Yeah.
Good evening po. Ano po pangalan niyo?
Maria Morales Paulo.
Maria Morales
Paulo.
Paula. Birthday po.
July 7, 1957.
Age po.
57.
Is your general health good?
So far, hindi.
Ano po yung mga problema niyo?
Hypertension. So, diabetes.
Has there been a change in your health within the last year?
Oh,
Have you been hospitalized or had serious illness in the last 3 years?
hindi.
Are you being treated by a physician now?
Yes.
For what po?
It's sugar.
Sugar level.
It's high.
Date of last medical exam po.
Last, 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. Date of last dental examination po.
Last month.
Have you had problems with prior dental treatment? Are you in pain now?
Okay.
Have you experienced chest pain? Swollen ankles po? Shortness of breath?
Wala.
Recent weight loss, fever, night sweats po? Persistent cough of blood? Bleeding problems? Sinus problems? Difficulty swallowing? Diarrhea, constipation? Frequent vomiting? Difficulty urinating? Dizziness po? Ringing in ears? Headaches po? Fainting spells? Blurred vision po?
Hindi naman.
Seizures po? Excessive thirst? Frequent urinating po? Dry mouth? Jaundice po? Joint pain? Do you have or have you had heart disease?
Ayun nga, yung high blood.
Heart attacks? Rheumatic fever po? Stroke po? High blood po? Asthma po?
Wala.
Other lung diseases? Hepatitis po? Or liver disease? Stomach problems? Allergies po?
And
Family history of diabetes, heart problems?
wala naman. Parang hard.
AIDS po?
Wala.
Cancer po? Arthritis po? Eye disease?
Wala.
Skin po?
Wala na.
Anemia po? Herpes po? Kidney or bladder diseases? Thyroid disease?
Wala na. Tinanggal na.
Diabetes po? Do you have or have you had psychiatric care? Radiation treatments po? Chemotherapy? Prosthetic heart valve? Artificial joint? Hospitalization?
Sa ngayon,
blood transfusions po, surgeries, pacemaker, contact lens po. Are you taking recreational drugs? Drugs po, or medication na tinitake nyo ngayon, meron po ba?
Maintenance.
Tobacco po, cigarettes, alcohol. Ano po yung mga ano nyo, tinitake yung ang medication?
Sa akin,
Tapos sa
Norvas.
ano ba?
Sugar, gagos.
For sure. Are you good or could you be pregnant? Taking birth control pills po.
Senior.
Do you have or have you had any other diseases that are not listed? Ano po? Thank you po.